Stop scrolling, this is Ferrari like you've never seen before. Meet the Ferrari 2030 EV Hypercar, a machine rewriting the future of performance. Up front, it's pure aggression, razor-thin laser LED headlights, a reimagined Ferrari nose, and an aerodynamic splitter designed for speed. Swing to the rear, and a glowing LED strip wraps around active aero panels with a massive diffuser and illuminated Ferrari badge that screams futuristic dominance. Inside, the cockpit feels like a fighter jet, holographic HUD on the windshield, yoke-style steering, and carbon fiber racing seats locking you in. And for the first time ever in a Ferrari Hypercar, rear passengers get sculpted sports seats under a panoramic glass canopy. Underneath it all, the numbers are insane: over 1,500 all-electric horsepower, quad-motor torque vectoring, 0 to 60 in just 1.5 seconds, and a top speed past 250 miles per hour with 500 miles of range. So tell me, would you take this Ferrari EV Hypercar over a Bugatti, Tesla Roadster, or Lamborghini Rivuelto? Comment below, backhand index pointing down, and subscribe for more future car legends.